Hey everyone, Hobby Box Break here. Do me a favor, hit that like and share button and leave us a tweet at Hobby Breaks. We're on Twitter, so hit us up at Hobby Breaks. If you haven't done so already, hit that bell right there in the bottom right hand corner. When you do, I'm going to get you to subscribe to our channel and let you know every time we do a cool Hobby Box Pack 10 Blaster Digital Wax Break or just an oddball Wednesday. Today, we've got the Garbage Pail Kids Chrome 1986 Original Series 5 Chrome Hobby Box. Love the GPK. I don't know what you guys thinking, but this is going to be fun to break. Before I get to that, though, you know what you got to do. Leave me a comment below. When you do, I'm going to get you entered into 2 drawings. That's right, 2 drawings. One for that monthly giveaway, which is a tin filled of number cards, polo cards, relics, and autographs. And 2 is going to be for this flawless briefcase giveaway. This sucker stuff full of number cards, polo cards, relics, sapphire cards, graded cards, pretty cards, sketch plates, 101s, and a whole bunch of autographs. Because with every single break that we do, we don't throw in 1, we throw in 2. That's right, 2 autographs. And today I'm going to be throwing in some bonus cracked ice prisms of Cracked Craig and Shattered Shelby. They come into the blaster boxes, along with our Nick Schmidt autograph and a Rodney Dent autograph. These 2 autographs and these 2 atomic refractors are going into the flawless briefcase. You want a shot at them? Just leave me a comment below. All right, let's get this show on the road and see what we get. Love breaking me some chrome. Alright. All on packs, ready to go. All right, let's see if we can pull something big. Let's get something big here, guys. Here we go. Series 5. Boom. Let's do this. Jules Drools. Got ourselves a necktie, a Bud Buggy, and a Ross Roast. A Ben Bolt, refractor of Welded Fred, a Dental Daniel, and a Hamburger Patty. Guys, if I miss a C card, let me know in the comments. Sometime I have missed one in the past. Wendy Winston, an Adam Ball, a Glassy Gus, a Blue Boy George. It's a pretty cool card. Diaper Dan, a Danglin Dolly, a Luke Puke, and a green refractor of Jules Drools. Green refractor number to 299. 299. That's our first refractor. Got ourselves a Ginger Snapped, a Edible Ernie refractor, Johnny One Note, and a Pin Paul. Adam Balls Burger. Cracked Craig, a Droopy Dolly, Hardin Hollis, and a Lucas Mucus. Clark Chrome, a Mick Dagger refractor, Batty Barney, and Lazy Louie. Louie is lazy. Michael Muton, Upside Down Donald, Nat Nerd, and Def Geoff. A Repaired Rex, Metallic Max, a Mosquito, and a Green Wave refractor of Ben Bolt. Very cool. Numbered to 299. Got 2 299ers. ourselves a Richie Rich, a Pin Paul refractor. Very nice. Got the brothers. Pin Paul refractor and Adam Ball. Got both of those now. Iron Nat Nerd and Fried Franklin. A Hot Doug. Wormy Shermy. A Spencer Dispenser and Fred Thread. Mick Dagger. Refractor of Wormy Shermy. What do we got here? Haunted Hollis and a Silvery Neil. Getting some upside down cards. It's kind of cool. Unbreakable Barney. Welded Fred. A Roslyn. And a Jordan Nuts. Clark Kent. A Earl Painting. Super Slade, Connoisseur. Gory Rory. Refractor of Johnny One Note. A Terry Cloth. And a Jean Metal Machine. A Surreal Neil. Colossi, Menace Dennis, and a Slade. Shattered Shelby, Refractor of Unbreakable Barney, Ultraviolet, and a Gil Grill. Toothy Ruthie, Iron Jaw Aaron, Frankfurter, and a Milton. Hot Rod, a Mel, Kit Split, and a Zeke Freaky Zeke. A Fluoride Floyd, Refractor of Pinned Penny, a Juicy Lucy, and a Tagged Tad. Delicatesse, Ruptured Rupert, a Dental Flossie, and a Jean Machine. Or Gene Machine. It's probably Gene Machine. Audio Augie. There's a Stingray, a Starchy Archie, and a Melted Milton. Top Matt, Condo Mini, a Pinned Penny, and an Edible Ernie. Last pack, let's see what we get out of this last pack. Only 2 refractors, huh? Cliffhanger, Sprayed Wade, a Brenda Blender, and a Hugh Turn. All right, so we just got 2 refractors. Oh man, thought we would get more out of that. Look for a variety of exclusive refractor parallels. Doesn't tell you how many we get. I thought we got typically 3 to 4 in the other series 4, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. More Holly Box Breaks coming up. Thanks for watching, everyone.